Now, we've been looking at a range of products from Eyeskey. They're a Chinese company, and we've looked at a number of binoculars. They also make monoculars, like this. A monocular is not something I use a great deal, but it's interesting. Let's have a look. The remarkable thing about this is the price. This one's selling for just a few pence over £56, which is not a lot for something like this. Feels good and solid. It's got a nice rubber armouring all over. There's ridges for grip. There is the flip-down cap to cover the objective lens, and that stays attached, so you're not going to lose it. When you hold it up to your eye, obviously it flops down out of the way, so there's no harm in leaving it attached. Rubber twist-out eye cap, which is handy if you don't wear glasses like me. You'll want to twist that out to give you the right eye relief. But with glasses, I'm using it screwed in so that I've got the right eye relief with the glasses on. Obviously, with a monocular, you don't need the diopter adjustment and the focus wheel. You've got it all in one little ring here, which is nicely ribbed so that it's easy to turn. And obviously, we're in ideal conditions here, lovely bright day, and the air's very clear, but yeah, lovely sharp picture, nice and bright. You haven't got the full edge-to-edge sharpness, but it's pretty good. And certainly the center is crisp as you like. The colour's very true to life as well. There's no colour cast. There's no visible fringing or chromatic aberration. It just looks like a nice clean picture. Personally, I prefer a pair of binoculars, but this is certainly more compact and easy to carry around with you. For the 10x42 performance, I mean, the equivalent binoculars would be quite a size, and this you could just slip in a pocket, so it's got something to be said for it there. The lenses all have multi-coating to cut down on reflections and flare. Back 4 prism inside, which gives you this straight through and compact design. This one is nitrogen filled and waterproofed, so it should be resistant to getting steamed up or getting water inside. I haven't had a chance to test that thoroughly ourselves. I could throw it in the bath, I suppose, but sooner or later it'll find its way out into the field when it's pouring with rain, and we'll be able to report back. But generally the build quality seems pretty nice. I've got some faith that it will actually stand up to it. So that's the Eyeskey Seeker Pro 10x42 monocular. If you're looking for something that you can slip in your pocket and just take with you and whip out when you want to look at something in the distance, this could be just the thing. Give it a go.